The fierce debate between the ruling and the opposition on the no confidence motion is in its last leg today, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to reply to the motion in the Lok Sabha. He is likely to address the House after 4 pm today. The Indian National Developmental Inclusive Alliance, India, moved the no confidence motion against the ruling National Democratic Alliance (NDA) government, which set the stage for a parliamentary battle over Manipur violence and other raging issues. The PM will be present in the House tomorrow to reply to the no confidence motion, Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh told the Lok Sabha earlier. A high-tension verbal battle was fought between both the sides in the last 2 days. The opposition accused the centre of creating a divide in Manipur. The ruling coalition defended itself by laying down government's welfare work. TMC MP Mahua Moitra on Thursday took a swipe at Union Women and Child Development Minister Smriti Irani, saying that not one word was heard from her when a BJP MP was accused of harassment and molestation by wrestlers, and how she is talking about some flying kiss. Moitra's attack came a day after Irani expressed outrage over Congress leader Rahul Gandhi blowing a flying kiss in the Lok Sabha, calling him misogynist and saying that the House had never witnessed such an indecent act. BJP women MPs later met Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla and demanded stringent action against Gandhi. Speaking with reporters outside Parliament, Moitra said, "When a BJP MP was accused of harassment and molestation by our champion wrestlers, we did not hear one word out of the Women and Child Development Minister, and now she's talking about some flying kiss. Where are your priorities, madam?" Her remarks were in reference to the allegation against BJP MP Brijbhushan Sharan Singh of sexual harassment of women wrestlers. Raghav Chadha of the Aam Aadmi Party on Thursday hit out at the Bharatiya Janata Party over forged signatures, allegations by 5 Rajya Sabha MPs, and challenged the Saffron Party to show him the piece of paper where they are claiming the forged signatures. Chadha said he will approach the Committee of Privileges and court against BJP members who levelled false allegations of forgery against him. The AAP has claimed that the MP had yet to receive any notice from the Privilege Committee yet. The 5 MPs alleged that the AAP leader added their names to the proposed panel without holding any prior consultation with them or taking their consent. Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar on Wednesday referred the complaints of the MPs to the Privileges Committee to examine and investigate the allegations raised by them. The Monetary Policy Committee of the Reserve Bank of India on August 10 decided unanimously to keep the policy repo rate unchanged at 6.50%. Consequently, the standing deposit facility rate remains at 6.25% and the marginal standing facility rate and the bank rate at 6.75%. The MPC also decided by a majority of 5 out of 6 members to remain focused on withdrawal of an accommodation to ensure that inflation progressively aligns with the target while supporting growth. Explaining the MPC's rationale for these decisions on the policy rate and the stance, RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das in the statement said, "Headline inflation, after reaching a low of 4.3% in May 2023, rose in June and is expected to surge during July-August, led by vegetable prices."